Epique in Pelican Bay in Naples. I have an update for you. But first, my name is Mindy Sylvester. I've been selling real estate in the Naples area for about 25 years. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and you'll be the first to have the latest Naples real estate market information. But first, I need to tell you, I do not work for the builder of Epique. I work for buyers. So when you go to the sales center and you work with the agents there, those agents work for the builder, for the developer. I work for buyers. And by the way, just so you know, the builder pays the commission for the buyer's agent. Okay. So if you don't have an agent, they don't say, okay, let's do the price. You don't have an agent. We're going to subtract that. No, you do not get a credit if you don't have an agent. So it's absolutely in your best interest to bring an agent with you that specializes in new construction and new construction resale so that I can help you maximize your return on investment. I can help you make the decisions that will be the best for you for resale. I've been doing this for 25 years. I've sold over 100, I don't know the exact number, but it's probably over 150 new construction homes. So I can help you make those decisions that will absolutely maximize your investment and get you the highest rate of return when you sell. So make sure you call me before you contact them, before you go to the sales center so that I can represent you and help you pick out the best things to make the most beautiful, amazing home in Epique. Okay, so I have exciting news today because I have done other videos on Epique, but I wasn't able to show you photos. And now I have permission to show you the renderings from the builder. I am so excited. This building is so beautiful. All right, if you haven't watched my other videos, I'll just give you a little quick rundown of Epique. It is the newest building in Pelican Bay. I think it's the last building actually in Pelican Bay. Okay, if you haven't watched my other videos, I'll give you a brief rundown of Epique. There are 19 floors and 68 residences. There is another building that was finished about 4 years ago, and it's called Mystique. And what they did was it's a beautiful building. They listened to what people told them about what they wish Mystique had, and they have put this into Epique. Things like 10-foot ceilings and regarding the amenities and things like that, which I'll talk about now. So there are 4 units on each floor. There are the O1 and the O4. Those are the larger units. Those are 5 bedrooms and about 5,200 square feet, 5,213. And then you've got the interior units, the O2 and the O3 units, which are 3 bedrooms plus den, and right around 4,000 square feet, I think 4,008 square feet to be exact. Now I can email you floor plans if you're interested in the floor plans. They are all fabulous. They all have floor to ceiling windows with spectacular views, really great layouts, very efficient, optimizing the view of the Gulf, just absolutely beautiful. So let's talk about the amenities. And I'm so happy I have the photos. All right, well, first, let me just say, first of all, if you purchase an Epique, you have the Pelican Bay amenities, which are already fabulous. You've got a beautiful state-of-the-art fitness center, huge, lots of activities, classes, Pilates, personal training, spa. You've got lots of tennis. There's already a tennis center, and now they're building a new racket center, which will have pickleball and tennis. It is where the old Pelican Bay Community Park used to be. And there will be some use for the public. However, part of that will be for Pelican Bay residents only. So you already have a lot of activities. You already have 2 restaurants. There's at the north and the south tram stations where you get off, and there are restaurants on each one of those. You have beach chairs. All you got to do is ride up in that tram, that little trolley, and get off, get a drink in your hand. They'll bring you the chair, or you can have lunch or dinner. It's absolutely fabulous. Now, if you're in Epique, you have even more amenities. First, I'm going to show you the renderings I have of the units itself. I have kitchen photos and master bath. So the kitchen, you can see from the photos, I don't know what else to say except maybe perfection. absolutely gorgeous. They have done such a good job. Of course, top of the line finishings. Same with the master bath. You can see the level of finish that they use here. You won't find better quality anywhere. So let's talk about the amenities in Epique. So first of all, you have your own state-of-the-art fitness center. There's going to be an infrared sauna, a spa. You can get a massage there. I think they're going to have a cold plunge. I'm not 100% sure. I do need to check on that. It's just going to be fabulous. Again, keep in mind, there are only 68 residences, so it will never be packed. And besides the fact that there's so many other things to do, walk on the beach, so many other things to do, you'll never feel like it's overcrowded. There is a beautiful pool with cabanas. One of the most popular amenities in Mystique was the boardroom. So they are definitely going to have another boardroom. It will be available for people to have meetings, to work from, just to utilize however you want to. By the way, I haven't mentioned there's a 24/7 concierge. So basically they will take care of everything you need. You can pull up, they will bring in your groceries for you. They will help you with your dry cleaning, dinner reservations. From what I understand, there's not much they won't do. It's like living in a 5-star hotel. It's absolutely fabulous. Okay, I'm saving the best one for last. Oh, by the way, look at the beautiful parlor. If you just want to go meet someone, you want to get some quiet time, read a book, the parlor is beautiful. Now, I don't have a photo of this, but my favorite amenity of Mystique is the movie theater room. State-of-the-art movie theater room, perfect place to gather your friends and family, watch a movie, watch the big game. Just fun. You don't even have to leave the building. Okay, are you ready for the best amenity? 68 residences, and you will have your own restaurant. That's right. Epique is going to have its own private dining. What else do you want? I don't know. They've got everything. They've thought of everything. So if you want more information on this building, this fabulous building, the best, newest building in Naples, contact me. I would love to help you, get you more info, take you there. I will be happy to do videos. If you're not here, we can FaceTime. I'll get you all the information you need. So I look forward to talking to you. Appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day.